Hello everyone and welcome to my channel frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these tasty and crispy Chana Dal Fritters. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first take 1 cup of Chana Dal soaked for 2 to 3 hours. Discard the water and transfer it to blender jar. Now add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger chopped, 3 to 4 green chillies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Blend coarsely. Transfer it to a bowl and then add 1 onion finely chopped, 10 to 12 curry leaves chopped, salt according to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Now add 2 teaspoons of corn flour and give it a good mix. Our batter is ready for frying now. Heat oil in a kadai and take small amount of the mixture and drop in hot oil. Deep fry the fritters on medium flame. Fry till the fritters turn golden brown in color. Our Chana Dal fritters are ready now. These are perfectly crispy and tasty and they go so well with chai. So do try it out yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.